Get to your yes quicker with impression signatures for Excel. To get started, select the impression button in your ribbon bar. Note this may appear slightly differently depending on whether or not you have your bar pinned. You will have 4 options: Sign My Document, Send for Signature, Sign and Send, as well as a More button, which includes Inbox, Sent, Signed, and Settings. Let's get started with Settings. In order to use Impression for Excel, you will need to sign in using your Impression credentials. Here you can sign in with either Microsoft or Google. Your settings enable you to switch accounts, view your details, or head to the Impression dashboard should you wish to change any of these. Let's get started by sending a document for signature. To do this, select the Send for Signature button in the Ribbon tab. Now you can change your document name, choose your brand, add any document security before adding your signatories. Once your signatories are added, you can simply click the Send for Signature button. This will convert the document to a PDF format and send it to the signatory that you have designated. Once the document is sent, it'll load your Sent Documents page. We'll take a look at this in more detail later, but note you may need to refresh it if it doesn't show up immediately. Here I'm just going to click refresh and you'll see the document we just sent, Book 26, up at the top. Next, let's sign and send the document for signature. To do this, select the Sign and Send button in the Impression ribbon bar. Again, you can change your document name, choose your brand, add security before adding your signatories. If you have a paid Impression account, you can also add a custom message. Once you've added your signatories, you can select the Send for Signature button. Note, if this is your first time signing on Office 365 Online, you may need to allow pop-ups in your browser. To do this, simply click the pop-up button at the top and select the Allow option. Now you can retry and your document will open in a full screen page in order for you to sign it. Follow through with the normal Impression signing steps to sign, finish, and accept your document. Here you will have the option to download the document, head to the dashboard, or simply exit. You can then select Back to head back to the Sign and Send page. Let's simply sign the document. To do this, select the Sign My Document button. You can choose to rename your document, otherwise it will default to whatever the book is named. Here you can select your brand and then select the Sign My Document button. Since we have previously allowed pop-ups, the full screen page will now open in order for you to sign your document. Simply sign your document as you usually would, and then select Finish and Accept. Again, we will be given the 3 options to download the document, head to the dashboard, or exit. Now let's take a look at the More Options button. We'll start with the Inbox first. The inbox shows all documents that you currently need to sign. Here you can sign them directly from within Excel. Select the Sign button, and a full screen page will pop up once more for you to sign your document. This functionality enables you to sign documents from within the program you are working in. This ensures that you save time and is just one more way of Impression getting you to your yes quicker. You can head back to your inbox and sign any number of documents that you wish. As you can see, the document we just signed is now no longer on the inbox list. Let's take a look at the Sent option. This shows all the documents which you have sent for signature. Here you can take a look at their status and track the documents should you wish. As you can see, here it shows the 2 signatories options that we use the Sign and Send feature for, and it shows the one is signed. This contains all your sent documents, which allows you to find and track the progress of them. Let's look at the signed documents. This contains all the documents which you have signed. From this page, you can see the status as well as download the PDFs. Thank you for watching. Get to your yes quicker with impression signatures for Excel.